Amazing honeymoon. The room was amazing and the staff were also very friendly. Thank you. Best breakfast. Small but cozy. Love this place. Best hotel breakfast during our trip to Turkey. Definitely will come back. The location is great. Beautiful view, nice staffs, comfortable bed. The Bosphorus view from our room was so amazing. The room was clean and the bed was super big and comfortable. The location is convenient since it's close to the light train station. Staffs were so kind and warm. I didn't tell them the day was my birthday, but they secretly prepared a birthday cake for me. This surprise truly made my birthday so special and unforgettable. Beating heart, thank you guys so much. The best hospitality. Meg Hotel was located in the heart of Sekersay and few minutes away from tram station, ferry jetty terminal, the famous Hafiz Mustafa, fish kebab and so many attractions. Nice hotel room. I stayed in room 302, with nice view of Bosphorus view, gelada and superb view. Room fully occupied with toilet amenities, ready-made drinks sachets, TV with several channels and nice bed and pillow. Basic breakfast was provided but it will satisfy your craving. Breakfast included of hot foods, salads, Turkish breakfast, simit, cheese, juices and hot drinks. Hot chocolate the best. Staff are super friendly, they will treat you as a master. They will ask you from time to time if you need any assistance during your stay and offer you hot drinks once you return from sightseeing. I will recommend this hotel to all travelers and I definitely will come back to Meg. Exceptional, it is awesome. It is Mount Home. Wonderful treatment by hotel staff, very courteous, awesome food, all-time free coffee with cakes at lobby, will come again. Meg Hotel. The best place for visiting Istanbul. All historical places are near. So amazing view terrace, all day long welcome drinks and friendly staff, hugging face. Will stay again. Perfect location, friendly staff, stunning view from terrace. Sea view room, their staff are so helpful and friendly, and we appreciated that. Highly recommend it to who'd like to explore Istanbul.